off with the global launch of the OnePlus 11, their new flagship smartphone. This phone is rocking a top-tier Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with a sleek black hole-inspired design. So let's dive in and talk about the top features you need to know about the OnePlus 11, starting with this design. When it comes to design, the OnePlus 11 is all about standing out from the crowd. It's designed for those who want something different and something that showcases OnePlus's unique take on what a luxury piece of technology can be. The OnePlus 11 features a modern one-piece unibody design with a chromed out stainless steel camera module that adds to the overall look of the phone. But as we know, phones aren't just all about looks. The OnePlus 11's design is also about function. The engineers at OnePlus have put a lot of thought into making the phone as ergonomic as possible. The overall curvature of the device makes it easy to hold, and the Gorilla Glass Victus is carefully curved into the mid-frame and from the mid-frame to the phone's rear, making for an unobtrusive transition to the edges. It serves as a rest area for your fingers while holding